Hi guys, Tonya Vann here with Tonya's Bling. I'm a Paparazzi Accessories independent consultant and producer, and I am here to just show you really quick my setup that I have for my live. I'll be going live on Facebook tonight, and I think this setup is going to be really helpful, so I figured I would go ahead and show it to you in case you wanted to do something similar. Okay, so here's what we've got. This is the jewelry I'm showing tonight. I'm showing the Fashion Fix sets, which are all down there. And then this is just some, these are the exclusives and the hostess rewards. So I'll be showing all of this tonight. Got the TV set up here with my ring light and a microphone. So, and the program I use is called Ecamm Live. And with that, you'll see here, I can see the comments as people are commenting. So the TV screen is nice because it's big and I can see it really easily, and I can see myself showing the jewelry and everything. And the camera is right here, so it's just a little webcam set up right there. So that's that look. Having the microphone helps, of course, with people being able to hear me easily. The ring light, with the ring light, I'm getting great lighting. So that's that. Then I've got my what do you call it, mannequin or dress form right there, so I can show, you know, how it looks hanging on that. And you can see it in the shot, of course. And then we've got over here, so once I show a piece, then I will put it in the pocket according to the item number. Oh, that's the other thing. With the Ecamm Live, you can type on the screen. So I don't have it showing, but on the screen we'll have my business name and just whatever I want to say, like it, you know, my website. Everything is $5, just all those kinds of things. It'll say that on the screen. And so we can also like move people's comments onto the screen if we want, so that you can just see it right on the screen there. And also we can put the item number right on the screen, so I don't have. And so we'll be putting the jewelry in these pockets as I show it. So I'll show item 1, then I'll stick it in the item 1 pocket. Item 2 will go in the item 2 pocket, and so on. And then when it sells, then my husband, who will be standing back here helping me, can grab the item number that sold. I've got these bags that we can wrap the jewelry in, and then the envelope, put it right in the envelope. We have like a Sharpie marker, you just write their name. I usually write it right on the front where I'm gonna put the shipping label anyway. I write their name, and then I'll put a hashtag for each piece of jewelry that they purchase. So that way, as they're purchasing, we can put the hashtag, and then I can easily, when it's time to invoice, just see how many hashtags are right on the envelope, and it makes it easy for me to invoice them. And then also, I can, if they won something, because I have like, these are pieces that I'm going to give away for the giveaway. So if somebody wins a piece of jewelry, then I usually just write winner on the envelope too. And if they won more than one piece, I'll put winner and then do hashtags. But usually I only give away 1, maybe 2 pieces. And then I've got my business cards and the thank you to go on the back of the envelope. So that's all right there. So makes it really easy. So that is my whole setup. Hi, Stephanie. That's my whole setup. So just figured I would share. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.